Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is chocolate covered marshmallows, and obviously these are decorated for Valentine's Day, but as usual, change the sprinkles and maybe the color icing, and they can be for any occasion. So first you're going to take your lollipop sticks and you're just going to do a little dip in there, and then just to help hold the marshmallow. Yes, marshmallows are sticky, so you can skip this step, but I always like to have that little extra security to make sure it sticks. So once you've dipped just a tiny bit, put your marshmallow on, and then just let that just harden up before you actually dip it, because if you turn around and just dip the marshmallow right after you do that, it's probably going to pull right off. So once you've dipped a few and have them secure on their sticks, you can go ahead and start dipping them. I'm actually not dipping all of them fully. You like to get like the bottom part completely covered if you want. But obviously some of these I decided to do a mix match, some white chocolate and some milk chocolate on the stick together. So I didn't worry about the bottom because obviously they're going to be put on top of each other. After I dipped the marshmallow, I gave it and let it all the excess drizzle off. I just turned it right side and did a little tap just to smooth out the chocolate. I am actually using a chocolate warmer. Obviously, if you don't have one of these, you can melt them in the microwave, and then you would just need to heat them up as they cool down. But I will say that this thing is pretty awesome. It works really well. My husband actually got this for a Christmas present for me this year, and it works amazingly well. It holds a pretty nice capacity and everything. Can't dip super far down, but you can get pretty good, so I definitely recommend it. And if interested, I will get the link and put it down below. I'm using my cake pop stand that works really nicely. If you don't have this, obviously you can always use like a pot or a pan filled with rice and use that to kind of hold them upright. Obviously they may lean, so if you're going to make treats like this, it always is helpful to have some sort of stand. Like you can just look up cake pop stand and find them. Again, I can link this one below. Here I'm doing double the same side, so obviously I'm just adding both to the same stick and just covering the whole thing. And again, like I said, you can't go 2 marshmallows deep in this specific chocolate warmer, so all I did was dip it sideways and take a silicone spatula and just help cover the marshmallow. Worked out quite nice. If you're going to do the mix and match colors, obviously just slide down easily your bottom color. If you're having a little trouble, you can always take a toothpick and just poke through the chocolate before pushing the lollipop stick through to keep it from cracking and breaking. You can also add a little bit more melted chocolate to the top of that before sliding on your other marshmallow to kind of glue them together. Once all your lollipops, once your marshmallow pops are nice and dry, I went ahead and used a drill to help decorate the spiral with. Just going to want to place the bottom of your lollipop stick into the drill. Make sure it's nice and secure because you don't want that flying out. And then just control your speed and go as fast or slow as you're comfortable with. Obviously, if you're just starting out, probably go a little slower. and it also depends on how warm you have your chocolate, how fast the drizzle comes out. As soon as you're done drizzling, start adding in your sprinkles, because obviously you don't want the drizzle to start hardening up or they will not stick. This is a great technique for strawberries as well. It gives you that full spiral effect and you don't have to try to hold it in one hand and drizzle and everything. So if you have access to a drill to do this, it is a great technique. These are super fun, super cute, great for all ages, but obviously kids would absolutely love these. So these are great little gifts to give for Valentine's Day to kids, or change up the sprinkles and give them as party favors for a birthday party. Match them to your theme. Be sure to let me know what you think of these in the comments section. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to help support the channel and keep the uploads coming. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And as always, live, love, eat sweets.